Hello guys, welcome back with the second regular Sudoku. It's a Sudoku Heavy in today's newspaper of, yes, Friday, June the 25th, 2021, almost weekend, and the second and last regular Sudoku is a heavy Sudoku. The first one was a Sudoku Light number 3K, and this will be a number 3001. Yes, 3001. Yes. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This heavy one has 24 printed digits. I've already counted. So if you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars, in additional, this will be a 4 stars. Yes, 24 printed digits, a 4 star, and for 4 stars Sudoku or puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. Yes, and for 3 stars, 20 to 30 minutes. For 2 stars, 15 to 20 minutes. And for a 1 star, faster than 50 minutes. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. 3 nines, 2 eights, 2 sevens, 4 fours. Alright, 4 fours. 5, 3 fives. Alright. 3 twos. Let me start with a 4. Alright. We have a 4 in the third column. 4 in the first column. So in the column between. The second column, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So in the row above. The only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. Alright. 5 in this row, 5 in the row below, the second row. So in the third row, the only place for the 5 should be there. Alright. So we have a 9 in this column, 9 in that column. So the column between, the middle column, the only place for the 9 should be there. Then. How about, the number 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only place for the 9 should be there. Yeah. 5, 9, 4. Okay. 2, 2. 2, 2. Let me scan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 9. We see here 9, no 9 in these 3 boxes. There are 9, no 9 in those 2 boxes in the second column. So 1 box left for the 9 should be there. Alright. 9 in the first row, 9 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. Yeah. How about the number 3? 3 missing numbers in the third row. Those missing numbers in the third row are the numbers 3, the 7 are missing, and the 8 is missing. 387. 387, and look, we have a 3 and 8 in the middle column, so no 3 and 8 in this box. The 3 and 8 goes in those two boxes as a pair, 3 and 8. So one box left in the third row for the number 7. Alright. Alright. 4 missing numbers now in the middle column. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and a 6. We have a 2 and a 6 in this big square. So no 2 and a 6 in these two boxes. The 2 and a 6 goes in those two boxes as a pair. Let me mark those two boxes, 2 and a 6. So the other pair in the middle column should be the numbers 1 and 4. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Alright. 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 Then 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5, no 5 in these two boxes. So one box left for the 5 in this big square. Should be there. Alright. We have a pair. We have a pair. But first, let me see. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 7 and 8. 7 and 8. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and the 5. We see here the 4 and the 5 in this column. So no 4 and the 5 in these 3 boxes. We see here 4 and the 5 in the last row. So no 4 and the 5 in those 2 boxes. The 4 and the 5 goes in these 2 boxes as a pair. Yes, as a pair. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Alright. 6. So now, let me see the 1. Yeah, we have a 1 in the last row, 1 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 5 and 6. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Alright. Okay. 2 numbers left in this. No, not 2 numbers, 3 numbers left. Okay. Well, we have an 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places for the 8 could be here, could be there. One of the missing number in this big square is the number 1. We see here 1, no 1 there, so the 1 goes together with the 8 as a pair. So the other number in this big square here, we have 1 and 8, 2 and the 6. So this box should be reserved for the number 3. Yes, 3 is missing. Alright. 1 box left in the third row for the number 8. Alright, 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 1 and 2. 3, 6, 7. Okay, 3 missing numbers in this big square. Here we have 1 and a 2. Those missing numbers are the 3, the 6, and the 7. 3, 6, 7, 3, 6, 7. And look, we have a 3 and a 6 there in this row. So no 3 and a 6 in this box. The 3 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 box left in this big square for the number 7. Alright. And now. three missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9 in this column, so no 9 in these two boxes. So one box left for the 9 should be there. Two numbers left. Here we have 4 and a 5 as a pair. The other pair in this big square should be the numbers 3 and the 7. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here and a 3 goes there. Two numbers left in this row. Here we have 4 and a 5. So those two numbers are the numbers 9 and 6. 9 and 6 are missing. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here and the 6 goes there. Alright. 2, 3, 8. Okay. And now, wait. Let me see. 4, 4. 2, 2. 1, 1. Okay. Yeah. Do we have all the 9s? Yeah, we have all the 9s, and all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 9. Alright. 7, 7. Okay. In this big square, we have now 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 7. We see here 7 in this second column. So no 7 in these two boxes. So the 7 could be here, could be there. So we have a 7 in one of those two boxes in this row. First row, 7 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only 3 places for the 7s will be here, or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. The only place for the 7 should be there. Alright. Then. In this big square, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We see here 5, no 5 in these two boxes. There 5, no 5 in those two boxes. So the 5 could be here, could be there. So we have a 5 in this row, 5 in one of those two boxes in the middle row. So in the row below, the only two places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. Two numbers left now in this row for the numbers 1 and 2. 1 and 2. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. One number left in this column for the number 2. So we have a 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there. 2 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 2. How about, yeah, in this big square, in this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We see here 1, no 1 in these two boxes. So the 1 could be here, could be there. So we have a 1 in this row. 1 in one of those two boxes in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. And then then 7 and 8. Okay. We have an 8 in this column, an 8 in that column. So the column between, the only place for the 8 should be there, and I've eliminated the 1. So the 1 goes there, and I've eliminated the 5. So the 5 goes here. 1 box left in this big square for the number 3. Now we have a 3 there, so this box cannot be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and that box should be a 6. One box left in this row for the number 8. Alright. 2 numbers left in this big square for the number 6 and 7. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here and a 7 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes with a 7. Now we have a 7 there, so this box cannot be a 7 anymore. That box should be a 7. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 7. And the 2, how about the 2? No, the 2, I cannot fill this yet. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. Those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 2, the 3 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 2, 8, 3, 2, 8, 3, 2, 8, 3. We see here 2 and 8. So no 2 and 8 in that box. The 2 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 box left in this big square for the number 3. 4 and a 5 we have here in this big square. Now we have a 5 there. So this box cannot be a 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. And this box should be a 4. 1 box left in the last column for the number 6. Yes, now we have a 6 there. So this box cannot be 6 anymore. That box should be a 6. And this box should be a 2. 2 in this row, 2 in the third row. So in the row between, the only place for the 2 should be there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can't be a 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. And this box should be an 8. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 3. 8 and 3. We see an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Now we have a 8 there. So this box can't be 8 anymore. That box should be an 8. And this box should be an 1. 1 in this column, 1 in the last column. So the column between, the only place for the 1 should be there. The final 2 numbers of this big square. 1, 2, 3 is missing and the 4 is missing. 3 and the 4. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 3 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. Alright, great. Sudoku Heavy. But is this really a heavy one? Because for 4 stars I need 30 minutes or more. Well, this will, I can say it's a 2 stars. Yes, because for 2 stars I need 15 to 20 minutes. And I've solved this in 17 minutes. So I'm very pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe and hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists for the Sudoku Heavy, for the Sudoku Light. And I have also a playlist for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 star Sudokus. A playlist, the letter Sudoku I have, for the killer Sudokus, for the quintuplet, tectonic, binaries. So all kind of Sudokus or puzzles, I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and you find them all. Subscribe, don't forget. And pick the one you like, the playlist, because I think I have more than 400 tectonics. I do not know how many heavy Sudokus I have. Just go there and find them all. Again, thank you for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Friday. Well, we have 4 extra Sudokus. I will see you with the additional, with extra Sudokus. Otherwise, have a great weekend, and we will see you tomorrow on Saturday. Bye bye for now.